Hello and good morning. Today I am back on the hunt looking for Halloween decorations. I'm going to check out a few Party Cities, but then I'm going to check out other stores that I haven't checked out quite yet. But I have heard that there's more decorations out, so I can't wait to take you along with me to go check out some of these stores. Alright, the first store that I'm coming to is Hobby Lobby, right here in Kissimmee, Florida. So let's head inside and see what we can find. So far, I'm not seeing any Halloween decorations. I am seeing some pumpkins. I'm seeing more of like boxes, ribbons, lights, a whole bunch of things that you can actually decorate your house with, and even scarecrows. I did see a few carving pumpkins. I'm going to see if I can try to get a little closer to them because they do have them on top shelves. If you're interested in painting your own pumpkin, they do have them already out, so that way you can decorate it however you want. Alright, I love these signs. I definitely will be going and visiting a few pumpkin patches here in Florida. This one says apples, ciders, and hayrides. The one right next to it says meet me at the pumpkin patch. These are really cool. Oh, small little dog that says welcome next to all these pumpkin signs. They've got a whole bunch here they can pick from. Alright, I found the carving pumpkins. I'll definitely be picking one of these up in the future to actually carve, because that's one of the things I actually enjoy doing. But for $50, that's not a great deal. Hobby Lobby normally has a whole bunch of sales going on, so I'm going to wait a little bit. That's a little pro tip. Wait, because things do go on sale constantly at Hobby Lobby. Alright, this is way too early for Christmas. Christmas really tries to overstep Halloween pretty much all year. Alright, sadly, there wasn't that much of Halloween decorations, more fall and Thanksgiving. Especially really weird to see Christmas this early, but that's Hobby Lobby for you. I did like that they had a huge pumpkin. I do want to buy that, but it is $200. I'm definitely going to be waiting for like 50% off, so that way I can actually purchase some of these carving pumpkins and carve some amazing designs. Now, luckily, the next stop is Party City right here in Kissimmee, Florida. It's in the same shopping complex, just right here behind me, so I don't even have to move my car. It looks like I came way too early. Everything's still in boxes. There's a few different items on the actual shelves themselves, and I'll show those in a second. But wow, that is a lot of merchandise that they're gonna unpack. It looks like they have a lot of the same costumes. 50s, 60s, going into Grease Lightning, hippies, and it keeps going. But there is some amazing things at this Party City that I haven't seen quite yet. No way, I found some tombstones. What I've been looking for a while. They are a little higher than what I can reach. But look, Michael Myers on a tombstone. That's actually pretty cool. And it keeps going. There's no prices on them yet. So it looks like they're still putting out a whole bunch of different boxes, especially right above them. There's a lot of boxes. They do have the same fog machines that I found in the other Party Cities, and they also do have pirate costumes, the same ones that I found at the Party Cities in downtown Orlando. Even the pirate mask that I did purchase myself. Alright, so far we're off to a good start. Finding the gravestones that I've been looking for a while. Couldn't purchase any from that location, but I know of one store that really has started decorating already and has so much to offer. I'm about to drive across town and show you exactly what store I'm talking about. Alright, after driving 40 minutes, I've reached my next destination right here in Ocoee, Florida. I am here at Old Time Pottery. I was here just about a week ago, walking around the store just to see if they had anything that was placed out for Halloween, and there is a lot. This is probably the only store that is ahead of every other store as of right now. So I can't wait to show you what's inside. And here it is. Look at all of the Halloween decorations. I'm gonna walk each aisle and show you different products that they have here. Oh, these ghost dogs are incredible. They have little furry rats right next to this little gnome that's holding kind of a creepy little pumpkin. Looks like he's really happy to see something, who knows what. They have a whole wall here of skeletons. This one is a trench coat skeleton for $4.99. Then they do have almost like a Grim Reaper skeleton. That's that bigger one in the middle of the screen. That's for $20. Then they do have mermaids for $4.99 and evil clowns. I'm gonna probably have to pick up, or I might pick up, I'm not really sure quite yet because I still am looking, the pirate skeleton. That's pretty cool. Alright, the evil pumpkin's pretty impressive for only $20. Then they have a ghost right next to them, and then another, it looks like Grim Reaper, and then a couple other ghosts, pumpkins. Wow, and it keeps going. There's also spiderwebs here, and even freaky fabric. That actually looked pretty cool on some tables. Alright, I'm really torn between the pirate skeleton and these skeletons for $14.99. These are actually pretty cool. I could actually afford these ones compared to those $50 ones at Party City. They have bats next to them. And even these creepy, I don't know what you call them, but it looks like dolls almost. If you're looking for skulls, don't worry, they do have them here also. $5.99 right next to the bats in the trees. And then look, even more skulls right next to these flower skulls. That's actually really cool too. I do like this. The haunted house that says it lights up. They even have throw pillows in case if you do want to decorate around your couch, your furniture. Boo, happy Halloween, welcome. And just a little further down, they have Happy Halloween, like in a calendar form, right next to some spooky spiders. Alright, I am really excited for this movie to come out, Hocus Pocus 2. They do have pillows here for that, $14.99. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. If you're looking for a pumpkin with initials on it, or just to spell out something, they have a whole bunch here, just in case if you're looking for them. Even one for C, for Corey. Wow, there is so much here, especially if you're really looking for kind of a pumpkin vibe theme. You can definitely come here and get pretty good prices for it. It does look like they're putting out a whole bunch of more decorations, so I can't wait to see what else they put out. Alright, that was really impressive, especially everything that they have there. Now, I did purchase one item, but you do have to wait until the end to see what I've purchased so far. If it was the pirate skeleton or if it was just the normal skeleton. I was talking to the store clerk. She was saying that this is just the start. They still are waiting for so much inventory to come in, different light up figures and more cobwebs. They were just naming off a few things, and she was saying, I don't know how we're going to fit it all, but there's going to be so much more. So I will definitely be coming back here to see what else they stock up. This is so exciting. Alright, I'm going to make one more stop, and I'm going to head to another Party City that's a little closer to this location that I'm currently at. Now, this Party City normally has really good selection. Hopefully they already start to have some selection out, but I'm not really sure, so let's head there now. Alright, let's see what this Party City here in Windermere, Florida has to offer. Now, Windermere, Florida is known for a lot of celebrities that have moved from California over here or have a second or third home here. Now, one of them that used to live here was Shaq O'Neal. He sold his house within the last couple of years, but it's not that far away from where I am right now. So I can't wait to actually get in there and see what else we can find out for Halloween decorations. This is the only Party City that I've seen so far with 25% off red ticket items. So if you want to come here and look at all the different costumes and hopefully find some really good deals or red ticket items, you can get a really good bargain. For those little kids that love Starbucks a lot, you can actually dress up for only $20. Or you can be Western for $24. For anyone that watched Top Gun, they do have a jacket here. It has Maverick on it for only $40, which is not too terrible. I love all the different patches that they have on the actual jacket itself. Alright, this costume is pretty cool. The headless football player. This one's about $40, which is not too terrible. But that is awesome. Right next to Batman. In case if you don't want the normal skeletons, they do have gold skeletons here also. Wow, that's a lot of skeletons. Alright, I just looked it up, and these skeletons are going for $59. Even the gold ones are $59. For anyone looking for liquid latex, they do have it here also for $20. So far, it's a lot of costumes. Not too many props. I didn't see any tombstones. They do have the fog machine. A lot of the costumes go from $25 all the way up to about $50, just depending on what you're looking for. But as you can see, they've got a lot. but still, there was a lot of boxes that they're unpacking. I made it back to the car just in time. It just started raining outside, so this is perfect timing. Now this Party City had a lot more costumes to choose from and a lot more skeletons, especially if you do want to get a whole bunch in one batch. But I'm going to show you what I got for this Halloween haul. Say hello to my new passenger. I'm not sure if I'm going to give him a name or not. If you think I should, leave a comment down below with what name I should give him. But this is what I purchased today. It was only $14.99, so it wasn't that bad, and this is at Old Time Pottery. I am really pumped because I've always wanted a skeleton. Sure, he's a little shorter, but he's still amazing. And with that, we are gonna end today's spooky shopping. Now, if you did like this type of video, going and checking out different Halloween decorations and just seeing what else is offered in different stores, let me know down in the comments if you want me to make more videos just like this one. But if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button so you can get notified every time we come out with a future video. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next episode. Have a great day, week, and year. Bye!